One of the things I have you do for a product launch, for the product launch that we put together for AOE, is a press release, okay? Press releases are very, very interesting ways to market your business. There have been a number of our members, AOE members, who, as a result of following my strategy, have been picked up in various countries by the press, and I've had heaps of free advertising as a result of that, or have been asked to go on interviews and things like that. So it's a really, really good strategy, and I highly recommend you do it. So what the hell is a press release? How on earth do you do a press release, etc., etc.? Well, press release is what the media industry uses to get ideas for stories to go online, in newspapers, in magazines, on news, TV news, etc., etc. And more, by the way, they're also being used for things like YouTubers who want to get ideas for content as well. So that's what a press release is. You can get them done. The easiest thing to do is get them done on Fiverr. So press release, there you go. Just type in press release, and you want, of course, have, I'm going to say, a level 1 seller to do your press release for you, and then here's somebody who would do a press release, and you can then go choose which one you want to do. But you're going to pay what, between 10 euros, of course it's in euros because I'm over in Portugal, between 10 and 70 euros for your press release, okay? Do not pay for the distribution service. It's a waste of time. Instead, what I'm going to suggest you do, PR Web. Here's who I use, PR Web. Just Google that, PR Web, and they do my press releases for me. I also have seen good results from PR Newswire. So either of those are equally as good, PR Web and PR Newswire. And what you do is you submit the press release to those services, just choose one, and then they will syndicate it right around the world, and it will end up in the inbox of journalists all across the world, okay? So that's how that works. It's a very, very good thing. One final little tip with your press release is to always include your storefront URL, not your direct link to your product page. Always include your storefront URL. That's very, very important to do that. Don't do a direct link. Use your storefront URL. You'll get some good SEO juice that way. So, Lisa, I hope that helps. Sue says you can use source bottle. Is that good? Is it, Sue? Source bottle. Here we go. A free online service that connects journalists with sources. Now, I've used free services, and in my experience, they're shit. So I have not used Source Bottle, so I cannot comment on it. Sue has used it. I don't know if it's been good for her, but in my own experience, they're crap. So you get what you pay for. If something's free, you should expect to get results commensurate with that. So, but no harm in using it too. As far as I can see, there's zero downside to using it too. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business. And the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon. And indeed, Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.